Imagine turning your gut feelings on elections, sports, or crypto pumps into real gains without the shady back-alley bets. That's Polymarket, the crypto prediction powerhouse exploding right now. But here's the spark. CFTC just greenlit U.S. operations, whispers of a token drop split markets 50-50, and an airdrop could reward top traders big time. Is this your ticket to easy yields in a crowded field? Stick around as we unpack the guides, rewards, and why non-token rivals like Kalshi are sweating. If you're hunting Polymarket Token Airdrop intel or 2025 prediction market edges, this breakdown delivers. Let's jump in. No hype, just the moves that matter. Alright, let's level set for anyone dipping toes into this. Polymarket isn't your grandpa's sportsbook. It's a crypto-native prediction market. Picture this. You buy yes or no shares on real events. Like will Trump pardon someone in 2025 or who wins the Super Bowl? Each share costs cents based on crowd odds, and if you're right, it pays a full dollar at resolution. Wrong? It goes to zero. Simple, right? No middleman fees eating your lunch, just pure info trading. From the platform shots, it's dead easy to start. Sign up with email or your wallet. Fund via crypto on any chain, then scout trending topics, politics, earnings beats, even New York City mayor drama. Volumes hit millions on hot ones, like that 87% shot on Zoran Mamdani's lead. Pro tip from the guides: bet small on short timelines with tight risk checks. Scan liquidity first, bet against thin books, and you're just feeding whales. Resolve times matter too. Avoid long waits that tie up capital. It's like poker, but the house pays you to play smart. This setup crushes traditional books because it's global, 24/7, and baked into crypto. No geoblocks fragmenting action. And with X integration live, odds pop up natively on feeds, seamless. Fast forward to last week. Boom. The CFTC slaps approval on Polymarket for full U.S. crypto prediction markets. That's the federal watchdog saying yes to event contracts on blockchain. No more VPN dances for Americans. Trade legally from day one. CEO Shane Copland's breaking it down, tying into their QCX acquisition for compliant rails. Why does this hit hard? It blasts open a $10 billion valuation door. VC term sheets are flying. Partnerships with X and Chainlink? Locked in for Oracle feeds that settle bets airtight. Suddenly, Polymarket's not just crypto's darling. It's Wall Street's side hustle. Remember, prediction markets shine on info edges. U.S. access means sharper odds, bigger liquidity pools. Kalshi's dominating volumes at 62%, but they're cash-locked and regional. Polymarket? Borderless yields via tokens. Now, the juice everyone's chasing. Will Polymarket drop a token in 2025? Myriad Markets pegs it at dead even, 50% yes, 50% no, with $16,000 traded. Charts show tight lines, but volumes ticking up, hinting whales smell announcement. SEC Form D filing? It packs a future token rights clause, classic setup for airdrops or ICOs. No official word, but treasury-funded rewards scream bootstrap to launch. If it mirrors others, staking providers get governance and fee shares. Downside, dilution risks if rushed. But in a landscape where 110 projects scrap for scraps, a native token cements Polymarket as the liquidity hub. Stake for discounts, build on top, imagine news sites, or X embedding odds, pocketing 50% fees. That's the crypto path non-token plays can't touch. Speaking of rewards, the airdrop hunt is on. Dune dashboards rank users by traded volume, transaction count, and number of predictions. Top spots could mean life-changing drops. Polymarket's teasing more. Permissionless launches via HIP-3 style, where anyone with stake spins markets, but slash-proof oracles curb bad actors. Double down on liquidity via token incentives, not USD drudgery. This fragments competition. Geofenced cash sites like Kalshi chase shadows while Polymarket targets global net new customers through crypto rails. Hold up, literally. New holding rewards. Polymarket announces 4% annualized on open positions in select long-term markets, paid daily from Treasury. Random hourly samples, simple migration coming. It's LP-style yields without the impermanent loss headache. Just park in accurate books, earn for tightening spreads. Far better than blind airdrops, it's merit-based. Users providing liquidity get paid, pulling in pros. Crypto composability wins. Stack with DeFi for compounded edges. But watch, rates variable, caps possible. Still, in a zero-commission world, this juices retention like nothing else. My honest take, fundamentals rock, but heat from Kalshi's volume surge means innovate or fade. So how to play? Start small, fund, scout equity balance books, bet closes with volume. Use daily rewards for steady grind. Track airdrop rank. Consistent transaction, build it. Competition heats, Kalshi and others copying. But Polymarket isn't just a platform. It's a window to crowdsourced truth, wrapped in yields that reward smarts. From CFTC wins to airdrop teases, 2025 and 2026 airdrop season is lining up massive. So, you've got the tools now, go build that edge. If this sparked ideas, punch the like button and drop a comment. What's your boldest Polymarket bet? Subscribe for more daily yield breakdowns. Next, we hunt untapped gems. Oh, and check my Plasma XBL launch video. Link on your screen or description below. What's one project you would like to see here? Tell me in the comments. I'll do my best to cover it. Never financial advice. Thanks for riding. You're leveling up. See you tomorrow.